got home from work, and guess who got a tree without me? So we have our real Christmas tree now. Yeah. What am I doing? I think I'm decorating cookies tonight, or maybe tomorrow night. I don't know yet. Gotta figure it out. But I didn't realize literally that my life is just school and tests, and I don't vlog because I don't do anything other than tests and school and work. Sometimes you don't vlog, and sometimes you just do school, and that's okay. Okie dokie. So we are decorating cookies now. I thought I would show you guys just some of my inspiration for these cookies because Pinterest is great, and these are really cute. I love these ones. But yeah, that's what we are doing now. So my mom made cookies yesterday, so we have this big bin of like snowflakes and circles and trees, and we're just gonna decorate them. It's gonna be cute. Okay, so basically you have to like outline them and then you fill them in and then you do all the other colors on top. This is gonna take a while, so I'm gonna do these guys and then come back. Okay, so we have some done now. Wow, my words are working tonight. So some of them we did all white, and now we're gonna be doing some blue, so we have more icing and food coloring and stuff going on over here. So we finished the snowflakes. These are all done, and we still have more cookies to do tomorrow. So I'm peacing out for the night. Good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday. It is Sunday the 16th, I believe. Sundays are for smoothie bowls and good music. So, you know I got you. Frozen fruit. We're doing a peach mango strawberry smoothie bowl this morning with like kale and raspberries and a bunch of good stuff. And I know it's Christmas time and like, so Christmas music's all going on. Okay, we got Spotify loaded up here, my speaker ready to go. I don't know what I'm playing yet this morning. Like I know it's Sunday, so you know, God music because gotta have God time. But okay, I don't know what I'm playing this morning. I'll figure it out.
In your corner when you were putting me through shit foolish, you left me this on my heart and I left you.
Okie dokie. So we got all my smoothie essentials together. Let me just show you. I've made smoothies so many times in my videos, but frozen fruit. Always gotta have a banana. Always gotta have plain Greek yogurt. And then hemp hearts. And then we put it all in here, and typically I do water. Sometimes I'll do almond milk, but normally you only do like half the amount of the cup if you want it to be thicker for a smoothie bowl. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. It's a lot of experimenting, you know? Okay, so I'm all done making my food now. I always top my smoothie bowls with almond slices, chia seeds, and dried coconut, and then I alternate the fruit. So this morning I did raspberries. Sometimes I do blueberries, sometimes I do strawberries, you know? Gotta change it up. So I'm going to eat this and probably do some homework, and then I'll check back in with you guys sometime later today, possibly. I don't know. We finished doing the cookies, so these are my trees and my snowmen and my reindeers and my other reindeers, and those are our cookies, and they turned out okay-ish for the first time doing sugar cookies. So.
And my dog ate a tray.
But my dog ate a tray. Wow. We are going to go pick up Alan, and we're going to go do some Christmas shopping. Hashtag better late than never, you know? I think I think it's better to do Christmas shopping late than never because, I mean, so I'm filming on my phone right now, so I probably will not leave it there while I'm driving. It's probably not the smartest idea. I really don't know how people vlog while they drive, but I don't know. Actually, I can leave this here while I drive. Wow. Nope, sunglasses. Let's get this show on the road, am I right? I really don't know how people do this. See? I'm just gonna turn this off now, okay? See you guys in a bit. Okay.
Are you actually?
I did this on the way down.
Is that why it took you so long to get here?
Let's go shopping! It's real sunny. Why do you hate me?
I'm not answering this question on camera.
Thank you. So I just got home from school, and for today's Vlogmas, I thought it'd be fun to kind of do some Christmas picture taking with you guys. I have a little setup going on here. I have some ideas for some pictures. So I'm going to be taking some pictures and then just ending off today's Vlogmas. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's Vlogmas. I've enjoyed doing Vlogmas even though like I haven't really vlogged all that much. It's been fun. I don't know if this is the last Vlogmas actually because I don't think I'm vlogging next week. I don't know. But if this is the last Vlogmas, I really hope you guys enjoyed and I will see you guys in my next regular video. I love you so much. Bye.
Have a blue, 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 blue Christmas.